question number 5, which is a proving question. I am drawing the figure which is given in the question. If you have joined for the first time, we have live sessions for different maths and topics for CBSE and ICSE. You can subscribe the channel and press the notification to get notified of any updates on the channel. If you want any particular topic information up to class 10th, you can drop in a message below this video and you will be answered. Let's start. The question is given in which there is a straight line given. This is class 9 question, and this is the figure given to you, and it is given that there is a line POQ is a straight line, and in this figure angle QR is perpendicular, so this angle is 90. This is given 90, and there is another ray OS, and this is the figure given to you, and in this you have to prove a statement which is angle ROS is equal to half of angle QOS. Now this is a sentence which has to be proved. So angle ROS is equal to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. This is the sentence which has to be proved in this question. So the figure is given, and we will follow this figure and try to prove in a simple manner. Now according to this question, since this angle is 90, therefore, and this is a straight line, so I can write that since POQ is a straight line, it is given in the question, therefore angle ROP is 90 and also angle ROQ is 90. So both these angles are 90, because this is 90 and this is a straight line, therefore this angle will become 180 minus 90. So we know these two angles are both 90. Therefore I can say that angle ROP is equal to angle ROQ, because both are 90. And I can say that angle ROP, so keep seeing the figure and understand what is being done. You have to just replace the values. Angle ROP is this angle. ROP is made up of two angles. Angle ROP is made up of two angles, which are first angle and second angle, and I have written that angle ROP is equal to angle ROQ. Now I will replace the name of ROP. ROP is this angle. It is made up of two angles, ROS and plus POS. So these are the two angles which are making the full angle. I will replace these names here. So angle ROP can also be called as angle ROS plus angle POS, and the right hand side is as it is. Okay, so angle ROP, which is the angle ROP, is made up of two angles, first angle and the second angle. If we add the two angles, it makes one full angle, which I have written here. Okay, now ROS plus POS is equal to ROQ. And how will I find ROQ? This angle, we have to just replace the values. So now we will just write the left hand side, angle ROS plus angle POS is equal to ROQ. Now I have to replace the name according to what has to be proved. So I have got ROS on the left side. In the question also we had ROS on one side. Now I will replace the name of ROQ. Angle ROQ is this angle. Angle ROQ will be obtained by subtracting this angle from the full angle. So from the angle QOS, if I subtract angle ROS, QOS minus ROS, from this full angle, if I subtract this angle, it will give me this angle. So from this full angle, if I subtract this angle, I will get this angle. Therefore, I am writing this name that ROQ can be obtained by subtracting full angle minus this angle. So I will replace the name ROQ as angle QOS minus angle ROS. This is another name I can give to this. So first I have renamed this, then this is also equal to sum of these two. Then ROQ I have named as this because ROQ can be obtained by subtracting this angle from this angle. You can see the video again. ROQ can be obtained by subtracting QOS from the full angle. If I subtract this angle, then I will get this part. So this is what I have written here. Okay. Now after this step, I will just change the sides. ROS plus POS is the new sentence. Now I will bring this ROS here. So bring this here and bring this here. Change their sides. When I change this side, it will become angle ROS plus angle ROS. Because I have brought this to the left side, this I will bring to the right side. So it will become angle QOS minus angle POS. So just interchange. Now why are we doing this? Because we have to prove a sentence. In this sentence we have to use these names. Therefore we have to just shuffle the names and try to get the sentence proved. So we are proving this sentence by just interchanging the names. Now when I add these two angles, ROS plus ROS, it will give me 2 times angle ROS. When I add these two, it will give 2 times, and this side remains as it is. So on the right side, it remains as angle QOS minus angle POS. So now we have reached the proof of this question. 2 times angle ROS is equal to this. Therefore, I can say that angle ROS is equal to this whole, and 2 will come here. When 2 comes here, it will divide. So this whole thing will become angle QOS minus angle POS, and this whole thing will be divided by 2. Divided by 2 means half. So this 2 will come here and it will become angle QOS minus POS, which was the sentence we had to prove. So we have proved this sentence in the end. Now let's quickly revise what we did. The figure is given and we have to prove this sentence. To prove this sentence, we will just use what is given in the question. So keep following the step. Since POQ is a straight line, this is a straight line, ROP is 90 and ROQ is also 90. So this is 90 and this is also 90, and ROP is equal to ROQ because both are 90 degrees. Now I will replace the name of left side and then on the right side. Angle ROP, which is angle ROP, is made up of two angles, this angle plus this angle. So ROS plus SOP, which is here. So ROP becomes this and right hand side remains as it is. After that we will change the right hand side. Now ROQ, which is this angle, this 90 degree you will get if you subtract from this full angle this small angle. So from SOQ subtract SOR to get this 90. So we will replace this name. So QOS minus ROS will give me ROQ. So this is an important step. Now after that, another important step is that you bring this here and bring this side here. When you bring ROS to the left side, it will become ROS plus ROS, minus will become plus, and this POS will come to this side. So this will become minus because this side was plus, and this minus when comes here it will become plus. So ROS plus ROS will become 2 times angle ROS, and QOS minus angle POS remains as it is. Therefore angle ROS becomes half of angle QOS minus angle POS. This is the proof which was asked in the question. So hope you have understood. Now let's quickly do the last question, which is a calculation based question. In this question this is question number 6, and in this question it is given a straight line. It is given that x, y, z is equal to 60. So just follow the figure. There is a angle given, angle x, y, z. X, Y, Z is given 64 degree. Then the question says, and X, Y is produced. First you make an angle, then produce this line, make it long using a scale. So this becomes a straight line. If this is a straight line, then this full angle is 180 degree. So this angle becomes 180. Now, because we have to produce it, we have to just make this line long. So, and then it is given, draw a figure from the given information if ray YQ. Now this was point Y, and from here there is a ray given Q, YQ. It is given that YQ bisects the angle. It bisects this full angle. Bisects the angle means cuts the angle into 2 equal parts. So both the parts are equal. Since both the parts are equal, you have to find 2 angles. First you have to find angle X, Y, Q. You have to find X, Y, Q. So first we will find what are these 2 angles. Let the 2 angles be X, and I can write that. You can do it in different way, but I am doing it in a simple way. Angle X plus angle X, sum of this angle and this angle will become a straight line because this is a straight line, and plus 64 will become 180. So 2x will become equal to 180 minus 64. Then it will become 2x is equal to 180 minus 64 will become 116. Therefore x is equal to 58 degree. So we have found one answer, that this angle is 58, and this also will become 58 because both the angles are equal. So we have found first answer, that is angle X, Y, Z, Y, Q, and we have found the 2 angles, the bisected angles. Now it is given find angle XYQ. XYQ. So what is XYQ? Angle XYQ will be the sum of angle XYZ plus angle ZYQ. These are the two angles. XYQ is made up of first angle and second angle, these two angles. So you just add them. When you add them, it will become 64 plus 58, and you will get angle XYQ is equal to the sum, the total of this. Okay, so you will get the answer as 122 degrees. So we have found one answer. XYQ is 122 degrees. Now they want another answer, which is reflex. Reflex angle QYP. Reflex angle QYP. QYP. Reflex of this angle. Reflex of this angle means 58 and the angle around it. Full angle is 58. You have to find what is the reflex. So what is the meaning of reflex of any angle? If any angle is given, if this angle is P and it is Q, this is Y and this is 58. I've drawn this figure here. So QYP is 58 degree. Therefore, what will be the reflex angle? Just 360 minus 58. So 360 and minus 58. You will just do subtraction of this from 360 to get the answer 300. Angle QYP is equal to 302. So this is the second answer. So hope you have understood. This was based on the straight line and reflex angle property. Revise these two are very important questions of the exercise. We will continue with the next exercise. So stay connected and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next class. Goodbye.